how to use two-factor authentication on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use two-factor authentication on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now to get to this page, just click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And here, click on the second option, which is password and security. Wait for a second and scroll down. Now you have two-factor authentication. Just click on the first one to choose use two-factor authentication. And this is it. You can choose authentication app or text message, SMS or security key, and they gonna send you a message or something. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.